Ready to unlock the future of video creation with unparalleled ease and stunning results? First, access the Veo 3 platform and navigate to the text prompt field. This is where your vision begins. Type a detailed description of the video you want to generate. Be specific about the scene, characters, actions, and overall tone. For instance, you could type a futuristic city at night, neon lights, reflecting on rain-slicked streets. A hover car zooms past. The more detail you provide, the better Veo 3 can understand and execute your vision. Once you're happy with your prompt, click the Generate button. Veo 3 will now begin processing your request and crafting your video. The generation time will vary depending on the complexity of your prompt and the length of the video. You can monitor the progress on the screen. Once the video is generated, review the output. Veo 3 offers various editing tools that allow you to refine your video further. You can adjust the style, add transitions, and even extend the length of the video. Explore the style transfer options to change the artistic look of your video. Experiment with transitions to smoothly connect different scenes, and use the extend feature to expand the duration of your generated content. Finally, download your masterpiece and share it with the world. Veo 3 empowers you to create dynamic and engaging video content efficiently and effectively. Unlock new possibilities and transform your videos with cutting-edge AI technology.